Welcome to section 7. Perform data execution with Pig. In this section, we are going to talk about Pig background, Pig architecture, Pig latent basics, Pig execution model, Pig processing, loading and transforming of the data, Pig built-in functions, filtering, grouping and sorting of the data, relational join operators, and Pig UDF functions. All in all, this is the complete section about Pig, which is better known as Apache Pig. We'll understand what this Apache Pig is. So, to begin with the first video, we'll talk about Pig background. And in this video, we'll understand what is Pig background, understanding Pig terms, Pig capabilities, and understanding the basics of Pig. Let's begin. So, first thing first, what is Pig? Apache Pig is a high-level platform for creating programs that run on Apache Hadoop. The language for this program is called Pig Latin. Pig can execute its Hadoop job in MapReduce. Now, over here, we can see Pig as a top-level or high-level platform which can use MapReduce to perform the Hadoop jobs. Rather than programming in Java, we can program in Pig Latin, which is the language for Apache Pig. Now, what this is gonna do, it will actually makes the life easy or the easier things for the people who do not know Java. They will learn Pig Latin, which is a very easy to learn language, a data flow language, which can actually use a lot of data flow techniques and makes things available and easiest to program in Hadoop. Now, what this Pig Latin is doing is actually interpreting Pig Latin language and generating MapReduce jobs that will run on Hadoop cluster. It actually enables the easy data summarization, ad hoc reporting, and querying the analysis of large volume of data. So, whatever the things which SQL was able to do, Pig is also able to do the same thing. But Pig has an added advantage. It can work on semi-structured and unstructured data as well. Pig interpreter runs on the client machine, and that's why there is no administrative overhead which is required. Pig can actually easily be installed in your machine and can work without any administrative overhead. Now let's understand what is the Pig background. Apache Pig was originally developed at Yahoo Research around 2006 for researchers to have an ad hoc way of creating and executing MapReduce jobs on very large data set. Back then in 2006, Yahoo was a giant and was able to deal with a lot of data. So they have developed their own software to deal with, or their own methodology to deal with, the massive data sets. That's how Pig came into existence. In 2007, once they have developed it, they have moved it to Apache Software Foundation and kept it open source for other people. So, what are the Pig capabilities? Pig is able to support various operations that you can do on SQL or Hive, such as grouping, joins, filtering, aggregation, extensibility, and support for user-defined functions. It uses Hadoop massive parallelism process as a native function for a native processing unit and can help you do the things much more easily as compared to any other programming language. Now, understanding Pig basics. Pig is a client application. No cluster software is required to manage Pig. It can interpret Pig Latin scripts to MapReduce jobs. That is, if you write a command in Pig Latin, it will be converting that into MapReduce job. It parses Pig Latin scripts, perform optimizations, and create execution plan. Once this execution plan is being created, it is being submitted to MapReduce job, and this execution plan can be converted into a MapReduce job to perform the desired operations.